Hi everyone, Brad here. I come to you today on this walkthrough Wednesday to show you our current available inventory. I am standing in a 2014 27-foot Flying Cloud, and this rig has been exceptionally maintained. I know the owners very well. It's here on consignment. You should stop by and check this thing out. It's available for you to take home now. Let's go see the rest of the rig. Sitting here on this very comfortable, very spacious couch, you have the wraparound windows. All the blinds are closed now. Two big windows here and your two windows up top. It's great view, great comfortable seat, wonderful seating area, wide open den area here, and the kitchen there makes a great space for entertaining or cooking. This unit only has one air conditioner, but it does have a fantastic fan in the front and the back, and you have skylights up above. But nice size refrigerator here, all closets, very large space here, double closet. Over here on the kitchen side, you have a pull-out pantry drawer with a microwave. You also have the gas oven down below. Then you have a pull-out storage compartment here, along with the open top. Plenty of storage up top there. Here in the bedroom, this very large queen bed and a wraparound view all the way around. This is a fantastic model for someone who is looking for something with some space. The next rig we have available is this Interstate 24 GT Grand Touring. Also an excellent model, brand new factory floor, just got delivered to us last week. It's a two-wheel drive model, but these things are grand for a reason. You have plenty of headroom to walk around in here, have plenty of elbow room to get down this even narrow hallway here. Here's your wet bath. You have your refrigerator here with freezer on the bottom. Nice giant counter space here and plenty of storage all the way around up top. 2-burner cooktop, stove top, and just plenty of drawer space down here. If you're interested in maybe a touring model, this one's available. Stop by and check it out in person and see if it fits your next adventure. If you like to go off-grid, or you have a small vehicle to tow with, or both, this Basecamp 16X may be for you. It's small, but it's mighty, and it goes anywhere, and it's very lightweight. Let's check it out. Last but not least, also small, also can be towed by a small vehicle, is the 16-foot Bambi, brand new rig. It's currently going through the inspection process via our technicians to be ready for you to take home right away. Let's check this out. Any of these models can be yours to take home very soon. All you gotta do is stop by and check them out. Make sure they fit you. If none of these models fit you, we can absolutely order you a new one. Please let us know how to help. Stop by or give us a call. We'd love to see you, love to meet you. That's all for today. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.